Following US President Donald Trump's executive directive, which stopped the funding to USAID, several people around the world, including Uganda, have seen their hopes dashed. This decision has led to massive complaints from the health and education sectors, including an impact on the ARVs and curriculum development in the country.
There is no curriculum as we talk today. And some of the delays are related to USAID cuts. Because after the cuts, however much they were late, even when they were late, they had no money.
Today, the opposition presented their proposals at an alternative budget workshop organized by the opposition leadership in Parliament to look at priority key areas where funds should be invested in the budget. During the meeting, the civil society urged MPs to call on government to ensure that the education and health sector funding is not left at the mercy of donor funds.
I would expect the leader of opposition and your cabinet, shadow cabinet, to make sure that these critical sectors are covered by government 100%. Whether USAID funds are restored or not, donor funds should go to less critical sectors.
The alternative budget is going to be premised on the theme, combating corruption, the sure way to effective service delivery.
Continue to see trillions lost to mismanagement, inflated contracts, and outright theft. These are not just abstract figures. Honorable colleagues, they represent stolen opportunities for our children, our communities, and our future.
If it's expecting anything from the donors, let that money fund the state house activities and others. But these sectors must be fully funded by the government of Uganda.
But remember, our numbers in Parliament are fewer than the NRM. So we'd like to call on our NRM colleagues to understand this country is ours. I think health takes precedence.
The MPs have resurrected calls to have the corrupt convicted as punishments to recover the money as well as losing property.
In other countries where corruption is negligible, it's because they have made it risky to steal taxpayers' money. You steal taxpayers' money, you'll be locked up, you'll be hanged, your property will be sold, and so on. And that's why there is limited stealing there. In Uganda, corruption continues to thrive. Why? It's not risky to steal. You steal, you get promoted. You steal, you will be defended.
As a requirement of the Public Finance Management Act, Parliament will receive ministerial policy statements by 15th of March. Juma Kiria, NTV.